Okay, 2021 Lincoln Aviator. I'm going to show you how to find the cabin air filter. So the first thing you're going to do is push that up and pop it out like that. And then you're going to push these pieces in on both sides and that'll drop the whole thing. From there, this is the cabin air filter. You may have screws in there. Push that piece out over here, push that too, and it's going to drop down. And then this is your cabin air filter. So you can take it out, clean it out with some compressed air, or replace it, whatever you want to do. But yeah, that's how you get to it. It's pretty easy. And then when you're putting this back together, just make sure you pull this piece out and snap it back in. Yeah, and that's how you do it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.